Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to bring the sparkle back to your jewelry and keep your dental appliances fresh, the Magnasonic UC22 Ultrasonic Cleaner. If you're interested in checking out this product, we've added a link in the description below, so you can find the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Magnasonic UC22? This ultrasonic cleaner is designed to tackle dirt, oil, and buildup from a variety of items, including jewelry, eyeglasses, makeup brushes, and even dental appliances like retainers and dentures. Utilizing advanced ultrasonic technology, it generates 40 kHz waves that create tiny bubbles in the cleaning solution. These bubbles implode, producing powerful cleaning action that can restore the shine you thought was lost forever. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the UC22. First and foremost, it boasts a spacious 20-ounce tank, which is larger than many other ultrasonic cleaners on the market. This extra capacity means you can clean more items at once, making it a great choice for families or anyone with a lot of accessories. The machine offers 5 distinct cleaning modes, allowing you to customize the cleaning process based on what you're cleaning. Whether it's delicate jewelry or more durable dental appliances, you can find the right setting for effective, safe cleaning. Another significant advantage is how user-friendly the Magnasonic UC22 is. It features a digital timer, letting you set the cleaning duration according to your needs. This eliminates the guesswork, ensuring that you achieve optimal cleanliness without any hassle. Plus, the gentle hum emitted during the cleaning process provides a reassuring sound that the ultrasonic waves are hard at work. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who values the cleanliness and maintenance of your personal items, whether that's jewelry, eyeglasses, or dental appliances, the UC22 could be a game changer for you. It's especially useful for those who wear braces or retainers, as it simplifies daily dental care. No more chemical solutions or tedious scrubbing, just place your items in the tank, select the mode, and let the UC22 do the rest. So, what are some practical use cases? Well, if you've ever looked at your favorite ring and noticed that it has lost its luster, this cleaner can help restore it to its former glory in just minutes. For those who wear glasses, keeping them spotless is essential for clear vision, and the UC22 can remove smudges and grime effortlessly. It's also excellent for makeup brushes, ensuring that your tools remain clean and hygienic, which is especially important for your skin health. Additionally, if you have dental appliances like aligners, night guards, or splints, the UC22 can effectively eliminate residue without the need for harsh chemicals. This not only keeps your dental items clean but also prolongs their lifespan, saving you money in the long run. In summary, the Magnasonic UC22 Ultrasonic Cleaner is a versatile and efficient product that can simplify the maintenance of various personal items. With its user-friendly features, spacious tank, and effective cleaning modes, it's designed to meet the needs of anyone looking to keep their accessories and dental appliances in top condition. Thanks for watching.